Welcome back, students. So in this video we will see few numericals on thermal properties of matter. As few of you had requested to do a video on this, here I am bringing this video on thermal properties. So if you like this video, please share with all your friends in your group. ಈಗ first problem ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, a copper plate of mass 2 kg is heated to a temperature of 600 degrees centigrade and then placed on a large ice block at 0 degrees centigrade. Calculate maximum quantity of heat that copper plate can transfer to ice block. Second, maximum amount of ice it can melt. So this question is from this year's model question paper. Here first, for understanding, there is a copper plate. So idondu copper plate anta think ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this is a copper. So temperature he has given, its temperature is 600 degrees centigrade. Kelvin ಒಳಗೆ convert ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. 273 plus 600. So you'll have 873 Kelvin. Now this copper is placed on ice block. So this you can think it as ice. So it is placed on a large ice block. So ice whose temperature is 0 degrees centigrade means it is 273 Kelvin. Now there is a flow of heat from higher temperature to lower temperature. You are required to find maximum quantity of heat that copper plate can transfer. So that is the amount of heat that goes from copper to ice. Now if you read the question fully given, he has given heat capacity. So heat capacity kotana 390 joule per kg per Kelvin. So ನಿಮ್ಮ formula ನೆನಪು ಉಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ quantity of heat ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are required to find Q. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನದರಿ joules ಅದ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಇದೆ joule per kg per Kelvin ಅಂದ್ರೆ 390 ಗೆ ನೀವು kg ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ you will get the heat transferred. So formula is that is heat transferred from copper to ice. It is given by M into C into delta T. So where M is mass, C is specific heat, delta T is temperature difference. Substitute madri, you will have the answer. So mass is 2. Specific heat of copper he has given it as 390. Temperature difference between copper and ice is 873 minus 273. Simplify madri, you will have the answer. So 2 into 390 into 873 minus 273 will be 600. So if I multiply, I will use calculator. 2 into 390 into 600. You will get 468,000. So 468,000 joules. Or you can write it as 468 into 10 raised to 3 joules or kilojoules anta ಬರೀಬಹುದು. This is the first part. Now if you read the second one, how much amount of ice it can melt anta kelana, means you are required to find mass of ice. Latent heat of fusion kotana. So now till all the ice melts into water, there will be no rise in the temperature. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜೋಲ್ ಪರ್ ಕೆಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾವ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಸ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, amount of ice melts. So Q is equal to mass into latent heat of fusion. So specific heat badli latent heat. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹೀಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೇವೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಎಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ Q by LF. Now I will substitute. Heat first part ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾವ 468 into 10 raised to 3 divided by latent heat of fusion. So it is 333 into 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3 gets cancelled. 468 ಗೆ 333 ದಿಂದ divide ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 468 divided by 333, you will get 1.405 kg. So this much amount of ice melts ಅಂತ 5 marks ಗೆ model question paper ಒಳಗೆ. So just it's very simple. Formula ಬರೋದು ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, you will have the answer. Next, second one. Calculate rate of heat loss through a glass window. So rate of heat loss through a glass window of area ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ centimeter square ಒಳಗದೆ, thickness ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, temperature inside and outside ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So now if I think this as a window, width of window, we are seeing this window from side view. So straight ಅದ window, ಇದು inside ಅನ್ಬೋದು, this is outside. So now in window area ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ 1000 centimeter square, thickness ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, inside and outside temperature he has given, and thermal conductivity for glass he has given. So if I take cross sectional area of this, he has given it as 1000 centimeter square. Meter square convert ಮಾಡ್ರಿ SI unit 1000 centimeter square ಅದ. So 10 raised to minus 4 meter square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If ಬರೀ centimeter ಇತ್ತಂತೇಳಿ 10 raised to minus 2, centimeter square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 raised to minus 2 the square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 raised to minus 4. So all these zeros I will remove. So you will have 10 raised to minus 1 meter square ಅಂತೇಳಿ area ಆಯ್ತು. Thickness of this window he has given. Thickness is 0.4 centimeters. So 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters. Or you can say this is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters ಅಂತೇಳಿ thickness. Temperature inside is 37. So T1 37 degree centigrade ಅದ, ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, plus 273. So 37 plus 273 will be 310. So inside is 310 Kelvin. Outside it is minus 5. T2 is equal to minus 5 plus 273. So minus 5 plus 273. 273 ಒಳಗೆ 5 minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will get 268. So 268 Kelvin. Now you are required to find rate of heat loss by law of thermal conductivity. By law of thermal conductivity. Just write the formula and substitute. You will have the answer. So H is equal to K into A, T1 minus T2 divided by thickness. Thickness instead of T as per formula I will write it as L. So divided by L. So H is rate of heat flow, that is heat by time. K has given in bracket, A we have calculated in meter square. Then T1 minus T2 you can take, substitute, you will have the answer. One step ಒಳಗಂದ್ರೆ answer ಬರ್ತದೆ. K is 0.22. Cross sectional area is 10 raised to minus 1. Then T1 minus T2, 310 minus 268 divided by thickness or length, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. One step simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you have the answer. So point 2 to the points ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ. This I will write it as 22 into 10 raised to minus 3. 310 minus 268. You will get 42 divided by 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So last step, you will have the answer. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? So 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 10 raised to minus 3 gets cancelled. So 22 into 42 divided by 4. 22 into 42 divided by 4. You will get 231. So 231 rate of heat flow, so units is joule per second. Joule per second. Clear adare? So for 5 marks you will be asking. So next one, third one. Two bars of equal length and area are connected in series. Their thermal conductivities are. So ಎರಡು ಬಾರ್ ಅದಾವ. So equal length ಅದ, area nu same ಅದ, are connected in series. So I will take two bars. Their area is equal and length is also equal. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಂತೇನೆ. ಇದು A, ಇದು B ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So what all he has given? So he says that equal length. So I will write L1 is equal to L2. Their area is also equal. A1 is equal to A. Thermal conductivities are. So first the thermal conductivity K1. He has given 300 watt per meter per Kelvin. That is SI unit. ಎರಡನೇತ್ರದ್ದು 200 units ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ರೆ. If open end of bars are at 100 degree centigrade and 0 degree centigrade. So one end ಈ ಕಡೆ T1 ಅನ್ಬೋದು. 100 degree centigrade ಗದ means 373 Kelvin. Other open end ಈ end ತೋತೇನೆ T2. It is at 273 Kelvin. Now you are required to find temperature at the junction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ junction ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ T ಅಂತ ತೋತೇನೆ, which you are required to find. You are required to find temperature T. So again by law of thermal conductivity, so heat conducted through A is equal to heat conducted through B. So A ದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು heat B ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟು B ದಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಅಂದಂಗೆ through B. Means here we are not considering other modes of heat transfer. So now I will substitute the formula. So formula for A, if I write K1 A1, temperature difference A ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗದೆ T1 ದಿಂದ T ಗದೆ. So T1 minus T divided by length L1. Similarly B ಗೆ heat conducted ಬರದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ K2, cross sectional area is A2, temperature T ದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ T2 divided by length L2. ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತುಂಬಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾನ L1 is equal to L2, so this gets cancelled. A1 is equal to A2, this gets cancelled. Now substitute the remaining values. So K1 is 300 into bracket T1 is 373 minus T is equal to K2 is 200 T minus 273. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ zeros cancel ಆಗ್ತವ. ಈಗ 3 ಇದು ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So 3 into 373 119 minus 3T is equal to 2 if you multiply inside 2T minus 2 into 273 546 546. Now last t ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೋರಿ, ಇವು values ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೋರಿ. So 3t I will take it to the RHS, 546 I will take it to the LHS. So 1119 plus 546 is equal to 2t plus 3t. So finally 5t is equal to 1119 plus 546. You will get 1665. So 1665. If 5 divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, you will get the temperature of junction divided by 5. So answer is 333 Kelvin. 333 Kelvin. If I had asked in degree centigrade, then you keep the answer in degree centigrade. Next, fourth one. So fourth, it is based on Newton's law of cooling. ಈಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್. ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, change in temperature of body divided by time difference, or you can say time, is equal to K into bracket average temperature of body, average temperature of body minus temperature of surrounding, temperature of surrounding, temperature of surrounding. Here where K is constant, where K is equal to constant, K is a constant. So if you remember this formula, it will be very helpful. So using this formula in 2 or 3 steps, you will be able to solve the problem. Now what he says, a pan filled with hot food cools from 94 to 86 in 2 minutes. So first case ತಗೊಂಡಂತೇಳಿ, first 94 degree centigrade ada, it comes to 86 degree centigrade in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. When the room temperature is 20 degree centigrade, means temperature of surrounding. How long will it take to cool from 71 to 69? So 71 ದಿಂದ 69 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೋಣ, ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, 94 to 86 it will come in 2 minutes. So ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಗುದ್ದಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, we are going to take ratios, so no issues of conversion. ಮೇಲಿನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 94 minus 86 divided by time, time is 2 minutes, is equal to K constant as it is, I will keep. Average temperature of body means 94 plus 86 divided by 2. So 94 ದಿಂದ 86 ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎವರೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 20, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 20. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 94 minus 86 divided by 2, divided by 2. So you will get 4 is equal to K into bracket 94 plus 86 divided by 2, you will get 90. 90 minus 20. So you can say k is equal to 4 divided by 70. This equation 1 ante equation 1 is clear adare. Similarly same formula second ಅದಕ್ಕೆ apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So second ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗ್ಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. second ಅಂದಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So temperature will decrease from 71 to 69 in what time means you are required to find time t. Again if you substitute in above formula, so it will be 71 minus 69 divided by t is equal to k into bracket average 71 plus 69 by 2 minus surrounding is 20. Surrounding is 20. Now simplify. 71 minus 69 madri divided by t. So you'll have 2 by t. 2 by t. So this is 2 divided by t. K value substitute madri. K estada 4 by 70 from 1. 4 by 70 into bracket 71 plus 69 divided by 2 you will get 70. So 70 minus 20. Therefore this will be equal to 2 by t is equal to 4 by 70 into 70 minus 20 is 50. So ಇದು cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. So you will get t is equal to t ಕಡೆ RHS ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ 14 by 20. 14 by 20. Correct adare 7 into 2 14, 4 5s are 20. 14 by 20. So if you simplify this 14 by 20 it is in minutes. So direct ille irtane. So we have got it in minutes. If you want it in seconds, in seconds t is equal to 14 by 20. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So into 60 minutes. So 14 into 60 divided by 20. You will get 42 seconds. 42 seconds anta barte. So this is 14 by 20 is in minutes. Bekare divide ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But as it is in fraction, I have converted it into seconds. So next ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ತಿಳಿರಿ. Next one. Same Newton's law of cooling mele. So a body cools from 60 to 40 in 7 minutes. So 60 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade in 7 minutes. What is the temperature after next 7 minutes antana? Andre second case ಒಳಗೇನ್ರಿ 40 ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬರ್ತದ, 40 ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, or you can take it as t also. So t ಅಂತನೂ ತಗೋಬೋದ್ರೆ. So just I will keep it as t in 7 minutes. Temperature of surrounding is 10. So first ಮತ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದೊಳಗೆ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Remember the formula? Temperature difference of body 60 minus 40 divided by time is equal to k into average temperature of body 60 plus 40 by 2 minus temperature of surrounding 10. So 60 minus 40 is 20. 20 by 7 is equal to k into bracket 100 by 2 50 minus 10. So 20 by 7 is equal to k into 40. 40 ಕಳಕ್ತವ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಡ್ತೇನೆ. k is equal to 21s are 22s are. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಂಟು ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ k is 1 by 14. k is 1 by 14. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So now temperature difference of body is 40 minus t. ನಂಗೆ t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. in 7 is equal to k into bracket average temperature 40 plus t divided by 2 minus temperature of surrounding is 10. Now you simplify this, you will have the answer. So 40 minus T divided by 7 is equal to K value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 14 1 by 14 ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೋತಾನೆ 40 plus T minus 20 whole divided by 2 whole divided by 2. Clear adari? Now you simplify, you will get the value of T. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ T ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ so ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 7 ದಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. So this 7 2s are. So 2 into 2 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 4 into bracket 40 minus T is equal to 40 minus 20 is 20 plus T. Now simplify, you will have the answer. 40 into 4 is 160 minus 4T is equal to 20 plus T. Again 20 I will take it to LHS, 4T to the RHS. Therefore I will have 140 is equal to 5T. Therefore T is equal to 140 divided by 5. So 140 divided by 5. You will get 28 degree centigrade. 28 degree centigrade. Clear adari? These are numericals on thermal properties of matter. So again, if you are like this, so please share with all your friends. Thank you.